Hey, time for a quick tip. I was here doing this and um, realized this might not be common practice or knowledge in the automotive world, but a little trick that we use when working on instruments, guitars, that kind of stuff. If you want to locate exactly where something is inside from the outside, you use magnets. Only I stack these here because they're stronger. Where you can put a magnet inside an instrument where, say, a brace is loose or something like that, or you find a rattle. Anyways, I'm rambling along, and then you use a magnet on the outside, and when they click together, you found your source. I've actually drawn out entire blueprints of vintage instruments. Anyhow, on this one, I've been knocking down 40 years of road rash, 34 years of road rash. And while these were so sharp, I could see them inside. I couldn't see this one, and this is the first one I did. I stuck it here and marked it off inside. But let's do this one because there's no mark whatsoever inside that shows where this one is. And I'm doing this completely by hand here. Oh, look how rough. Yeah, there it is. Using a nail that's doesn't want to hold. There it is. It'll grab on when it finds the magnet. And from there, just use a simple little grease pencil, mark off the spot, and that's where I know to take the hammer and dolly. Hello, where are you? Take the hammer and dolly to it. It's highly precise, actually. You want to use, you can't use a magnet on the inside like we do on instruments because they'll just stick to the metal both ways. And you don't want to use something that's too light because it'll be pulled in by the magnet from maybe an inch around. So you find something like this nail I found. I think it's copper coated, in fact, or zinc coated. Anyways, it is not that magnetic, and it'll only grab when it's directly across from the magnet. And to prove it, I just moved the magnet, and there she went. So maybe this will help someone. If you can't find where to hammer, you're just adding dents, not taking them out. Hey, name's Mario, and thanks for hanging out with me in my workshop.